Hello everyone, myself Jwala Prasad Chaurasia, a student of Thakur College of Engineering and Technology, second year, BTech AIML. So guys, we are here to do the 30 days of Google Cloud program का first track, that is Cloud Engineering track का fifth quest, that is Build and Secure Network in Google Cloud का second वाला lab. So guys, let's get redirected towards our quick lab. By clicking this, I will be redirected towards the quick lab. Okay guys, we are over here. As you can see this, we have performed our first lab, and this lab we have performed in other quest, so we don't have to perform it again. And now we have to perform this lab, VPC networks controlling access. So guys, we are here. First of all, let's start the lab. Okay, let's see our tasks. These are our tasks. Okay. Okay guys, let's see the setup and requirements. First of all, I will open it in the console. Okay guys, we have signed in over here, and now the basic terms and agreements by Google, we have to accept it every time guys. Okay guys, we have to accept the terms and service conditions over here. Okay, we are done with this also. Now let's get into this by basic startup. I think we have to start a Cloud Shell. Okay, let's start our Cloud Shell guys. Okay, continue. Okay guys, we are into this. Now first I will auth my project via by this command gcloud auth last. Okay, now I will config my project by this command gcloud config list project. We are done with this also. अब आगे बढ़ते हैं guys to our first task. Create the web server. Create two web servers, blue and green, in the default VPC network. So okay guys, create the blue server with the network tag. Okay guys, then install nginx on the web server and modify the welcome page to distinguish the server. Okay guys, we have to create a web server. For that we have to get into our VM instances by compute engine. Okay, here it is a compute engine VM instance. इसे छोटा कर देते हैं guys थोड़ा सा. So guys, we are gonna see the VM instance over here. So what would be our next step? Create an instance, and we have to make a instance by name this blue, and region as US Central 1 and zone as US Central 1A. I will create an instance. Okay guys, I have clicked on it. Okay, I will name this instance as like this. It's like blue guys, and region it is already being set it down. For more, okay, click management disk networking Seoul Tennessee. Okay, by clicking network, okay, it is here, right? We have to get into networking. I am into networking guys, and after that, okay, for network tags I have to type web server. Okay, I have typed that also. As you can see it here, network use network tags to identify which VM instances are subject to certain firewall rules, and network routes Later in this lab, you create a firewall rule to allow HTTP access for VM instance. Use the web server tag. Alternative, you could check allow HTTP traffic. Okay, click create. Okay, I will click on create, guys. Now we have completed this thing. As you can see, guys, we have created our VM instance. Are this server over here, name blue. Okay, I think I should log in it again. Sometime this may happen, guys, so don't worry, log in it again in the console. Okay, guys, as you can see, we have all created our instance, so it is showing that our instance blue is created here. So पहले यहाँ से इसे चालू भी कर लेते हैं. Let's activate a cloud shell also. So if we want to do some commands line, so it won't take much time. पहले start करके रख लेते हैं ऐसा. Okay, we are here. We have done. So click on this. So now we have to create a green server, guys. Okay, set the following value still in the console in the VM instance. Okay, guys, let's get into green, name green, and all the set the following values, leave all the values at the default. Okay, I will create an new server with green one with the name green. Okay, okay, guys. Here we are here, and region and zone are already selected. Now I will simply click on create. As guys, you can see this are green, this one is been also creating over here. This 2-second task is also running over here, and wait a second, within some seconds we will be done with this also. We are done with this, guys. Now what? Install nginx and customize the welcome. Still in the VM instance. For blue, click SSH to launch a terminal and connect. Okay, let's copy this command for because we have to install an nginx server in the SSH terminal. So we will be clicking on this blue, and then terminal will open for, and it will connect through it. Okay, guys, we are over here. Okay, I will copy this command. Okay, guys, we are in the nano editor. So what we have to do over here is replace the h1 welcome to. Okay, say we have to replace welcome to nginx to welcome to the blue server, right? Okay, so for editing in nano server, first we have to click I. So guys, I clicked I. Okay, wait, guys. Okay, first we have to we can directly do it. Okay, wait. Huh. we have to type this, the blue server exclamation. Okay, okay guys, we are done with this also. As you can see, we did it what they said. Welcome to the blue server. Now we have to click Control O plus enter plus Control X. Okay, we are over here. Now we have to press Control O plus enter plus Control X to getting out of this. So we did this, guys. Verify the change for this. Okay, we will simply verify the change that. So I will simply put this command over here. So as guys, we can see the changes we made over here. It is showing over here. So guys, close the SSH terminal to blue. Okay, we have to close this SSH terminal, guys. For that I will type exit over here, enter. I had closed it. Now for green, click SSH. Okay, for let's install this also in the SSH also, guys, and we have to do the same commands we did it for that. Let's copy this command, and from here I will start the green SSH terminal from here, guys. Okay, let's get connected to it. Okay guys, I will install it, nginx one, and I will copy this and edit as welcome to the green server as we did it earlier. Okay, wait, I will copy paste this, and I will be editing this part also, like that blue server wala part, simply like this, guys. Okay, welcome to the green server exclamatory, and after that we have to press Control O, enter, Control X to getting out of this. So we are out of this, guys, and after that let's verify the changes. So guys, we did the change and it's showing over here, and it's like, let's close this and let's get exit after from here, this SSH terminal. For that we have to type exit, enter. We are out of this, guys. So now let's check it is installed and our task is completed over here. Now guys, we have to create a firewall rule, and for that we have to get into VPC network and firewall. Okay, from here I will be starting VPC network. Okay, and your firewall. Okay guys, and from here notice the default allow internal firewall. Okay, the default internal allow rules allow traffic on. Okay, this is default internal firewall, guys. We have to create a firewall rule, so I will click on create firewall rule and set these default values over here. Now let's create a firewall rule over here, guys. Okay guys, we are over here. Now I will name it as allow HTTP web server. Network is already set to default. Targets as, okay, where is target? It's already set it there, and now target tags as web server. Okay, web server. Source filter is IP range and source IP range as this. Okay, in protocols, specified protocol and pods. Okay, in protocols, okay, we have selected this, and then check TCP. Okay, I will check this TCP, and over here I will type AT and check other protocols, type ICMP. Okay, I will type over here T, and I will check other protocol, and here I will type ICMP. So guys, we're done with this also. Make sure, okay, I should make sure I have included, okay, I have included 80 right this, okay, okay guys, okay, done with this, okay, ICMP, and after that I will click create for this firewall rule, and I think we have done with this test guys also. And guys, okay, some small tasks are remaining. It's getting creating over here guys, let's wait for some time. Okay, I think we are done with this. We are done. Create a test VM. Okay, create an instance using the Cloud Shell command line. Okay, we will copy this command simply from here. Press enter, and after that we will see some thing like this. This will be the output guys. Okay, let's create. It's generally creating a VM instance. We can generally create a VM instance from Compute Engine and VM instance. Okay, let's see, this task is also completed for us. Okay, now let's test HTTP connectivity from test VM. Curl the internal and external ID of the, okay, from test VM. Okay guys, okay guys, they have said something from test VM, call the internal and IP address of blue and green. Okay, in the console we have to navigate to navigation menu. Okay, and VM instance again guys, we have to go to our VM instance by compute engine, and here is our VM instance guys. Okay, we are over here guys. Okay, note the internal and external IP address of the blue and green. Okay, this is the internal and external IP address of the blue and green guys, because you can see this. For test VM, click SSH to launch a terminal. Okay, I will click SSH to launch a terminal for this test VM, and I will connect it over here. And after that guys, okay, we are here. To test HTTP connectivity to Blue's internal IP, run the following command. Replace Blue's internal IP. Okay, replace, enter. Okay guys, we will checking over here. Copy this and internal IP of this Blue. So simply I will copy this Blue, and okay guys, wait. Okay, I will go to here. I will type call space, and I will paste the internal IP and press enter. As you can see, we are in the Blue server. Okay, to test the connectivity, so you can test it by this. Okay, I will copy that thing from the internal IP of green over here from here. Okay, I will go here again. I will call it call. I will paste the command and enter. As you can see guys, we are over here with this green server also. And what's our next step? You are able to HTTP access both. Okay, is allowed by the default. Okay, to test HTTP connectivity to Blue, okay, we can test the HTTP connectivity to Blue also guys from here. Okay, by this we will be testing it. Okay, if you guys want to test it, now let's get into a new task. Explore the network security admin rules. Okay. Return to the SSH terminal of the test VM instance. Try to list the available firewall rules. Okay, we will be listing this. Okay, this is our, okay, so okay, let's explore it first. Okay, we are here guys, listing are all the firewall rules, and after that this should not work. Okay, try to delete the HTTP web server firewall rule. Okay, this won't also work. Okay, this is listing guys, wait for a second. Okay, it showed error. They showed, okay, it won't work, they said that. Now we will try this also, and yes, and I think it should also not work, guys. It will also show error 100%. Okay guys, let's wait for some time to see it. Okay guys, I said that it will show error. So after that, we have to create a service account in okay, in navigation menu, I am admin and service account. Okay, over here in navigation menu, this is I am an admin part, and this is a service account. Where it is, guys? This is service accounts. Okay guys, we are over here already in the service account, and we have to create a service account. Okay guys, wait, what I will do, I will put this over here only. Okay, okay, notice the compute engine default service account. Okay, we have noticed, and now we will create a service account. Okay, set the service account name to network admin and click create and continue. Okay, now we'll click create and continue. Okay, after that, for select role, compute engine, compute network admin, and click continue and done. Okay, compute engine. Okay, I will select where is compute engine. Okay, compute engine and compute network admin. Okay, compute engine and compute network admin, right? Okay, it is here, guys, and after that I will click on continue. So I clicked on continue, then click done. We are done with this also, guys, as you can see here. And after that, after creating service account network admin, click on the three dots at the right corner and click manage key in the drop down, then click on add key and select create new key from the drop down. Click create to download your JSON output. Okay, okay guys, we will be going on this network admin. Okay, this is the network admin, and I will from here I will be clicking on manage key, and in manage key, guys, I will click on add key and create a new key from the drop down menu. Click create to download a JSON file. Okay, I will click on create. Okay guys, I will save it in my local file, local PC repository. Okay guys, we are done with this also, I think that. Okay, click close. Okay, a JSON file download your find this key file, you will upload it into the VM in a find this key file. Okay, rename the JSON file on your machine to this credential.json. Okay, I renamed it as credential.json. Now I will check it. Okay, okay guys, let's wait. Okay, I have created it. Okay, okay guys, I think I have created, but it's not showing. uh, okay, so guys, I've created a network admin name. I had created, right? network admin. It should show. Let's check from start here, and I should see it again. Okay. Okay, let's see what's the issue. Okay, we are here, and we are also here. We completed this task also. Yes, we completed, and now we completed this task also. Now we have tested our VM also, guys. And what are we missing? We did everything. I think that we have created our admin. Okay. Guys, we can see that we have created, right? So I'm not getting why it's not showing. Let's click on it again and again. Let's go forward. Authorized test VM use the network. The network admin rules provides a permission to create a firewall, modify the firewall rules. Okay, create, delete, and this will be the answer. Okay, return to SSH terminal. Okay, first let's check this again, guys. What's the issue? I'm not getting. I made it right. Okay, let's wait for some more time and see. Okay, we had created, right? Then why it's not showing? आई थिंक इसे गाइस डिलीट करके एक बार फिर से क्रिएट करते हैं, ठीक है? एक सेकेंड ना, यहाँ से इसे डिलीट कर देते हैं एंड लेट्स क्रिएट इट अगेन. यार यहाँ पे कंप्यूट इंजन फिर से सिलेक्ट कर लेंगे. यहाँ पे रहा कंप्यूट इंजन. compute engine, compute network admin. Okay, ये right है compute network admin, and then click done. Okay, I will पहले continue. I will click on done. Okay guys, अब फिर से हमने कर दिया है. फिर उसके बाद एक ये क्रिएट, हाँ गाइज वी आर डन विद दिस, एज यू कैन सी अब हो गया है. गाइज एक बार चेक कर लेना फिर से आप क्रिएट करके. And so with this guys we have completed our second lab also of the fifth quest. So thank you so much guys for watching my video, and please do share my video everywhere. And thank you so much guys. If you want to give me any suggestion, you can comment me in the comment box, or you can message me in my LinkedIn profile also. And I wanna again thank you so much guys for watching my video. Thank you so much.